Here we go, fourth graders. In the morning meeting, we talked about what you're going to do this weekend. I would like you to share that in group. The morning target is I can multiply a fraction by a whole number. So let's take a look here at a problem. So I'm going to take us back a little bit to this math message. So there are 3 vases. Each vase has 4 flowers in it. How many vases are there in all? So we could think of this as 3 times 4. Whoops. Basically, 3 times 4 equals 12. What we're going to look at, though, is multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So that's not where I want it to be. And 3 times 4 is the same as 4 plus 4 plus 4. Multiplying is the same as repeated addition. It's a shortcut for it. So let's take a look here. In the math message problem, we determined 4 plus 4 plus 4 and 3 times 4 both represent 3 groups of 4. Can you write a multiplication equation to represent 3 groups of 1/4, or 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4? So 3 groups of 1/4, we'd write this as 3 times 1/4 equals 3/4. So it's just like from that math message. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 3/4 because there are 3 4s. There are 3 1/4, so we write that as 3 times 1/4. Here's what I want you to bring to group. Using what I just gave you, I'm going to read this problem to you. A florist has 5 bunches of daisies she wants to dye blue. For a few hours, the stems of each bunch needs to sit in a mix of 1 cup of warm water and 3/8 teaspoon of food coloring. How many cups of water does the florist need in all? So we know that's 5 bunches, and it's 1 cup, so it would be 5 times 1, which is 5 cups. Here's what I want you to answer. How many teaspoons of food coloring does the florist need in all? Write that on a piece of paper, bring it to group. I'll see you then. With a pencil, math journal, and your paper.